Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about transitive property and substitution property and vertex property. So first we have transitive property. Now transitive property, if angles are congruent to the same angle, they are congruent to each other. For example, if angle 1 congruent to angle 2 and angle 3 congruent to angle 2, so angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, because if angles are congruent to the same angle, they are congruent to each other. Angle 1 and 3 are congruent to angle 2, same angle, so angle 1 and angle 3 is congruent. Now first, substitution. So in substitution property, you are just basically replacing something. So now if A equal B and B equal C, we can write that A is equal C, because here we have B is equal C and we can replace B here with C. Now the next one, we have vertical angles. Now vertical angles is two angles are vertical angles if the rays forming the sides of the either are opposite rays. Let's say if you have two lines, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Whenever two lines intersect, they form 2 points of vertical angles. Now it turns out that 2 and 3, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because opposite to each other, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because opposite to each other. Now it turns out that 2 and 3 are supplementary, they form a linear pair, so angle 2 and angle 3 must add up to 180, and also angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal 180. Now vertical angle, two angles are vertical angles if the rays forming the side of the either or opposite rays. Now we have opposite rays. Opposite rays, opposite rays is two collinear rays that have a common endpoint and extend in different directions. So if you have a straight line and here you have point A, B, C, so BA and BC are collinear rays because they exist on the same line, but they share a common endpoint and they extend in opposite direction. BC to the right and BR to the left. Now let's move to the question. Now let's say if you have here we have angle 2 and 3. Angle 2 is equal x squared plus 6. Angle 3 is equal 7x plus 14. Now we need to find angle 2. So first, angle 2 and angle 3 is opposite to each other, so angle 2 equal angle 3. So we can write x squared plus 6 is equal 7x plus 14. Now we take 7x plus 14 from right to the left. So x squared minus 7x plus 6 minus 14. Now minus 6 plus 14 is equal 8. So x squared minus 7x plus 8. Or minus 8. You have minus 8. Now minus 8, we need two numbers. If we multiply them we get minus 8, and if we add them we get minus 7. So we have minus 8 plus 1. So we get x minus 1 and x minus 8 equals 0. So you have x plus 1. Now either x plus 1 equals 0 and x is equal minus 1, or x minus 8 equals 0, x is equal 8. Now, so here we have angle 2 is equal 8 square is 64 plus 6 is equal 70. So here we have 70. And if angle 2 is equal 70, angle 3 is equal 70 also. And the second answer we have minus 1. So angle 2 is equal x square is minus 1 square plus 6. Minus 1 square is plus 1 plus 6. Angle 2 is equal 7. So the second answer is 7. So this is the final answer.